but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied me to the kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. 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 Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who are true, yeah. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who seems alive. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah.
Stop.